Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram chat theme song option not showing problem. Don't worry, follow me all steps, I have solved your problem. Now first, open your Play Store app, tap on Play Store. Now search Instagram, tap on Instagram and update your Instagram app. Finally, Instagram app is updated. Now open your phone setting, scroll down, find apps. Now tap on apps, search Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, and finally tap on delete. Now restart your device, finally tap on restart. After restart your device, open your Instagram app, and finally I have solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.